Hello and welcome to a different Metal Thrash Family Game Time video. Today we thought we'd do something different, and seeing as the boys had recently learnt to ride their new bikes, and Jacob nailed it in 4 days from not riding a bike at all, and we thought we'd put together a video of learning how to ride a bike for you people that don't know how to. So all you need for this tutorial is a bike, some open space, whether it's your backyard or a safe space on the front. Don't go cycling on any roads, certainly not unsupervised. If you can't do that, go down your local park. And no stabilizers will be required for this tutorial. The first thing you're going to do is learn how to balance.
The second thing is learning how to glide, and then the third thing is pedaling.
Yes.
But step 4 that I've not learned how to do yet because I don't have to is standing up on it.
Yeah, standing up's a bonus. You just learn to ride the bike first before you can stand. Yeah. Learn to pedal before you can stand. I'm sure there's some weird analogy there. Okay, let's get to it.
Okay parents, you won't need to hold on to your child either, as this doesn't actually teach them how to balance. The first thing you're going to need to do is forget about pedaling and simply push yourself along and get used to the feeling of gravity attempting to throw you off as you lift each foot off the ground. As you continue to do this, attempt to keep your feet off the ground for longer each time until you have learned how to balance and keep yourself upright. Always keep your hands ready on the brakes just in case you need to stop, and simply put your feet down if you feel like you're going to fall over. Okay, now that you're able to glide along for a few seconds, try placing one foot on the pedal and rotating at a time. If you lose balance, simply put your feet back down again, and don't forget to use those brakes. Don't be discouraged if you are still a little wobbly at this stage. The more you practice, the easier this will become, I promise you. Sometimes it helps to gain a little speed and drift along without pedaling for a second just to steady yourself. It will now be time to find a bigger space to practice and develop your skills.
So with it being a lovely Sunday afternoon, we thought we'd come out as a family and enjoy the local area and give the chance the boys to spread their wings out in the open on their bikes and learn and practice their new riding skills. So mum and dad, this is the best thing for you to do. Go out and get yourself a bike and get out with your kids. Hey Ollie.
Hello.
We having fun exploring?
Yes.
Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Good. I'm gonna race you. Race you, race you, race you, race you, race you, race you, race you. Woo. Do 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 do. Well done, Jacob. So that was our tutorial on how to learn to ride a bike. Just be patient. You won't get this. You probably won't get this in 4 days. You just need some pure perseverance, like this kid has. He's daredevil. You might not learn it in 4 days. Could take you a week. Could take you 2. But just keep at it. Keep practicing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And we'll see you in the next video.